Welcome to SEO Sneak Peek. In this video series, we will introduce you to a list of SEO terms you absolutely have to know. If you are an SEO professional or a website owner trying to rank your pages higher on search engines, these videos will make your ride up to the top easy. In this first video, we will discuss keywords. What are keywords? Keywords are the terms that you need to optimize a page for, or in other words, these are the terms for which you want your website to rank on Google. So, how does a phrase become a keyword? A phrase transitions into a keyword when your target audience frequently uses it while searching for your products and services online. The idea is to make sure the most frequently searched terms are placed within the content that you want to rank. This will grab the attention of Google and other search engines. Based on the importance of keywords, you can categorize them into primary keywords, secondary keywords, and LSI keywords. Primary keywords: the primary keyword or the focus keyword best describes the content within a page. Let's take the example of the keyword winter gardening. It usually has the highest search volume, and it predominantly appears within the heading tags, meta tags, and the body. On the other hand, secondary keywords are the ones that give more context. For example, winter gardening tips, winter gardening crops. As you can see here, they are longer than the primary keyword and have comparatively less search volume. However, using secondary keywords within your content is imperative to rank higher for the focus keyword. Coming to LSI keywords, they also help search engines better understand the context of your content. But unlike the secondary keywords, they are not the longer versions of the primary keyword. Instead, these are the terms that provide more relevance to the topic. For example, harvest carrots, fall harvest, easiest plants to grow. These are all LSI keywords within this page that are helping it to rank higher on Google. Now that you know the types of keywords based on their importance, you must use them within the content wisely. But whenever you do so, don't go overboard and stuff them into your content. Also, make sure to choose long-tailed keywords based on your website's current organic performance. If you want to know how to zero down on the best long-tailed keywords for your content, make sure you hit that notification button and you'll be notified when that video comes up. We hope you liked our first SEO Sneak Peek episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.